Okay, so markdown preview, scroll editor with preview. When a markdown preview is scrolled, update the view of the editor. So this setting pertains to if you scroll the preview, you want the editor to also scroll. However, I think there's a bug with VS Code, and if you scroll the preview and switch back to that file, this file is not scrolled, right? But it does work if you're using different windows. So let me actually switch this out. So if you're looking at both files, and when you scroll the preview, you will actually also scroll the editor, right? But if you can't view both at the same time, it doesn't work. So yeah, I think this is useful, even though there's a bug. So I'm going to leave this one as true.